Hi and welcome to Ali's YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the 308i Ajazz keyboard. I absolutely love this keyboard, mainly because of the colours, but also because of the features. So it is an old-fashioned typewriter like round keys, which is different to the square keys. And it has 84 keys. It takes two AAA batteries. And let me just measure this for you. So the length is 30 centimetres, which is shorter than a standard keyboard. And the depth is about 13 centimetres. Now the keys, if I can bring it in nice and close, the keys are round and they're about, let me measure the key height. They're probably only about 0.5 millimetre in height. So the total height of the keyboard here is about 3 centimetres. Now this keyboard comes in different colours. There's yellow, grey, mint green, pink, black and the multicoloured.